You wake up to the soft morning light streaming through your bedroom window, the sound of birds filling the air. You step outside onto your balcony, coffee in hand, breathing in the crisp, salty breeze from the nearby ocean. Nothing stands between you and nature as you look out into the rolling landscape of your 3-acre property, a private escape from the busy world. This is what you've been looking for, a home with space to grow, breathe, and create. Maybe you've always dreamed of a small hobby farm where you can plant a vegetable garden, raise chickens, or even start beekeeping. Here, it's all possible. The land is yours to shape. Stepping inside the open concept kitchen and living area welcomes you with warmth. The wood stove crackles softly. Adding to the cozy country feel, you glance outside. No neighbors looking in, just the peaceful backdrop of Chapels Cove stretching into the distance. The home is designed for comfort and efficiency, with 3 mini splits keeping the temperature just right and a generator hookup ready for stormy nights. Downstairs, the bright walkout basement offers even more possibilities. Maybe a workshop, a home gym, or a future guest suite. As you wander the property, you picture your kids or pets playing outside, the fresh air filling their lungs. Evenings spent around a backyard fire, under a sky full of stars, and though you're just an hour from the city, it feels like a world away from the noise. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle, a vision, and maybe a fresh start. Welcome home to 104 118 Ridge Road. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video educational. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. It helps support me and the channel. And if you are in the market and you're looking for a realtor and you want to work with me, then feel free to reach out to me directly. Links are always in the description. And also, you might want to check out one of these other videos.